Today's the morning of October 3rd, and our pumpkin plant has grown quite a bit. It's looped all the way around the garden and back this way. And at this point, we're going to be taking a look at how to pollinate by hand with a Q-tip. So, one of the problems with these pumpkins is that they do not pollinate well. I might have already pointed this out in another clip that I filmed, but I want to articulate it clearly here. There are two different kinds of flowers on this pumpkin plant. This one with all these ants in it here is a female plant. And the way we know that is because if you look down below it, there's a little bulb below it, as opposed to a male plant like this one here, which does not have a little bulb below it. And that little bulb is the ovary. So what happens is either the pollen gets from a male plant into a female plant, and sometimes the ants and beetles facilitate that. Other times it doesn't happen successfully. And if it doesn't happen successfully, the ovary withers up and dies, as you see this one here. If it happens successfully, which I had to hand pollinate this one, you wind up with a little pumpkin. And so this pumpkin I hand pollinated probably about a week and a half ago, and we're gonna just do the same thing this morning. So what I found successful, I just go in here without my Q-tip, get some pollen. I might get it from two different male flowers. Not that it matters. I think it's just, like good options. And then we're going to come over to our female flower, and you notice it looks different. So the male flower has that pollen stem in the middle. The female flower has these kind of ovary receivers and all these ants on it. It's probably a good thing. I like to just get in there and just really make sure the pollen gets on it. These ants probably have taken some pollen to the female flower. I guess they're there because there's nectar there. With that, I anticipate that come Halloween, we're going to have at minimum 2 nice pumpkins.